So I'm just going to go ahead and staple this down. I'm using 3/8" staples. And the idea, you want to see no movement at all in your lathe, because if there's movement, that means it's not fully attached. See, that moves down. I'm going to go ahead and I'm pressing really hard on the staple gun. And then now over here where I did cut it, I just cut that, you can see there's a lot of movement. And some of these aren't going down as far as I'd like, so I'm going to go ahead and hammer them in. Still see a little movement here. So you can use construction foam as a background, and I'm going to show that in the future. So the idea here is when you're laying your plaster, you want to be able to, this grabs it. Some kind of wood here that's not taking my staples. So you can see here now I did cut this off, but there's a little bit of an overlap, so I'm just going to go ahead and see about tapping that back. Okay, I'll check it out in detail and then we're done with this step.